Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to change password on Canstar. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open up a web browser of your choice. In the URL box, type in canstar.com.au and press enter on your keyboard. From the official website of canstar.com, go ahead and log into your account. Once you're signed in, from the main home page, mouse over to your profile name at the top right corner and click on Edit your profile from the option. You will then end up in the account settings page. To change your password, scroll all the way down and get to the security option. Click on the update button right next to password and enter your current password in the first text box that you're using. Once you are done entering the current password, you can go ahead and enter the new password on the next field, but in case you've forgotten your current password for your account, you can click on this forgot password link, which will also take you to a new page where you can enter a new password. While creating a new password, make sure to meet these criteria and retyping the password once again in the next field. After filling in the boxes, click on Save and Continue. Then you will be able to change your password for your Canstar account. So that is how you can easily do it. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.